This episode, we say goodbye to Cliftlick and make our way to the vibrant city of Marmaris. Join us as we explore the city's best beach clubs and restaurants and then continue our journey down the beautiful Turkish coastline. All that and much more in our ongoing Turkish sailing adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe to follow along with our top line travels. In a beautiful lagoon right near the Phosphorous Cave, which is a super popular tourist destination here just outside Marmaris, and it's an adventure stop for us. We're about to jump in the dinghy and head around this corner to the cave, which is only accessed by boats. We're gonna go check it out and maybe even do some diving. The coast of Turkey is so breathtaking, a blend of turquoise waters, dramatic cliffs and ancient ruins. It's so much more than we expected it to be. Inside of it at the moment, but the water's not very nice. It's a little bit murky, so we're not gonna have to swim here. We're gonna make our way back around the bend. Geronimo! Soon we were back on the boat and onwards onto Marmaris, a coastal city that we have been so excited to explore.
Coming into Marmaris, so pretty.
Wow.
This is the graduate Lagoon 450. Marmaris Marina come in. Gotta always make sure the volume's up. Make that mistake before. We've raised them on the channel 72 and they come out and pick you up in their little dinghy and escort you into your marina berth.
Alright, we're trying something we've not tried before. We're gonna go side on in between these two boats on the dock here in Marmaris. Captain's doing a marvelous job pulling us into this gap. Well done. Now how do you go sideways? Getting some help. Nice throw.
Lovely.
Absolutely nailed that. You made that look easy. Marmaris Yacht Marina is known for its world-class facilities, but it is a 30-minute drive from the main town. We are leaving Marmaris Yacht Marina now. It's heading into sunset and we're going to get a cab into town. Marmaris is a lively resort town with gorgeous beaches and a bustling nightlife. Surrounded by pine-covered hills and clear blue waters, it's perfect for both relaxing and having fun. With its busy marina, historic castle and plenty of restaurants and shops, we were so excited to start exploring. Our first stop was the Grand Bazaar, which is a must-see in Marmaris and will keep you shopping until you drop. This place is amazing. It just goes on and on and on and on. We've got hooked into trying Turkish delight. It's so good. We just gone and bought ourselves a whole lot of Turkish delight. Soon we'd worked up an appetite and headed to Felix Restaurant and Bar, which is located by the water and is a popular spot known for its delicious food and great atmosphere. Heading into the Marmaris, we're on the hunt for a cool beach club to spend the afternoon. Our search led us to Vamos Beach Club in Marmaris, which is a go-to spot for relaxing and soaking up the sun. With its cool vibe, comfy lounges and great music, it was the perfect place to chill out by the sea for the afternoon. They serve tasty food and drinks, making it a perfect place to sit back, relax and enjoy yourself.
Thank you very much.
Up and about this morning, we're headed to the fuel station to fill up. Marmaris Harbour is absolutely stunning. It keeps blowing me away every time I look around. These mountains are gorgeous. It's very commercialized on shore, but it adds to the vibe. So much fun.
Busy pumping out the black water and have a go. Pipe's nice and clear so you can see it flowing. Lovely, lovely. So while we're filling up with all our fuel, this beast of a boat has pulled in. Big 50-metre super yacht, and they're filling up with 5,000 to 6,000 litres of diesel today.
It's a sad day. Ash and Brad leave us today as they head back to Australia, but we've had the best time traveling the whole of Turkey together. Currently walking around the old town here in Marmaris. Feels like stepping into Greece. White and blue buildings everywhere. Cute little shops all along this gorgeous little old town street and bougainvillea everywhere. Old Town Marmaris is a must visit. Walking through the old town gives you a glimpse of the town's rich history and offers a peaceful contrast to the bustling marina and the beaches. It's lovely to walk around and it's super small, close to the bazaar and the castle if you want to go check that out too. Our plan is to pop out at Bar Street along the harbour side, which is where all the restaurants and bars are. The heart of the town's nightlife, packed with lively bars, clubs and music venues. It's obviously still really early in the day, so completely empty, but must go crazy in the night. We decided to opt for a more relaxed evening. The Ottoman Rooftop was perfect. It offers stunning views over the city and the sea, along with delicious cocktails and a cozy ambience.
Out on a mission this morning. Got the gas bottles, trying to find somewhere that can fill them up for us. Going through all the funny little canals here in Marmaris. Spoken to the local guy, he's given me some guidance. Grab these, take a hike up to the fuel station and hopefully swap them out. We've had new front nets shipped to the Graduate, so today we're deciding to put the nets on. We could simply just cut the old ropes off, but because this is the first one, we're just unraveling it, getting our heads around how it's tied on. Once we'd figured out the tie-off pattern, it was 5 hours later, a few beers deep, and we could finally sit back, relax and enjoy the final product.
Walking along the promenade here in Marmaris, every day it's slowly getting busier and busier as we move further into the summer months. There's so much to see and do here, and after spending a few days, we've absolutely loved it. We've been walking along this promenade for about an hour and we're headed to Icon Beach, which is a beach club on the water here. There's so many beautiful restaurants and beach clubs all the way along. Everything's lined with beautiful flowers, so many hotels and amazing accommodations along the waterfront. We've made it to Icon Beach Club and it's absolutely gorgeous. Icon Beach Club is a stylish spot right on the water, perfect for lounging and enjoying the sun. With its chic decor, comfortable sunbeds and excellent service, it's a great place to unwind. The club also offers delicious food and drinks, and day beds are available starting from around €30, making it a popular choice to sit back, relax and enjoy the on-site DJ and take in the absolutely incredible coastal views. Saying goodbye to Marmaris this morning as we start to make our way slowly down the coast southeast. Join us in the next episode as we continue sailing along Turkey's stunning coastline. We'll reach Dalian, encounter turtles along the river and marvel at the amazing rock tombs. We'll explore ancient ruins and discover the breathtaking beaches and coastal beauty of Göcek. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up with our top line travels.